Hello everyone, we have some unfortunate news when it comes to a court case that could have had a pretty big impact on our Second Amendment rights, or as far as what the law states as far as limiting our Second Amendment rights. Your Second Amendment rights don't actually go away or disappear, it just affects what the law will legally put you in jail or kill you for. So today we're talking about Young versus the state of Hawaii. This was a court case that was originally introduced, I believe, back in 2013, challenging the open carry system in place in the state of Hawaii. The state of Hawaii is basically a you can't get a CCW there kind of state. In theory, there is processes and policies that exist that would allow someone to conceal carry or openly carry a firearm. But the problem is that the way it is applied and the way that the sheriffs and the government actually issues essentially makes it so that there is zero chance of getting a firearm carry permit. Young versus state of Hawaii challenged the way that it was going about issuing these open carry permits, basically saying that in practice there is zero ability to legally openly carry a firearm. This went through the court system for a long time. Like I said, this started in 2013. This is now over 8 years. So very slow process. We see now that the court has ruled, and I'm going to read this one specific sentence just straight up so I don't mess it up. The en banc court held that the Second Amendment does not guarantee an unfettered general right to openly carry arms in public for individual self-defense. Accordingly, Hawaii's firearm carry scheme is lawful. Now, what does this mean for people like you or me that are in the state of California? Well, this is pretty unfortunate. This could have been a case that would have been able to help challenge the way that people can and cannot carry in other states if this was positive for us. This is most likely going to be petitioned up to the Supreme Court, but as we've seen many cases happen recently, my confidence in the Supreme Court is low, and I think many other people would share that same opinion. Does that mean I'm going to stop supporting organizations like Firearms Policy Coalition, Gun Owners of America, Second Amendment Foundation, and CRPA? No, I'm absolutely going to keep supporting those. I'm going to keep trying to fight the legal battles in whatever way that we can help support the people that are fighting those legal battles. What this means, though, is I think a lot of people are going to be losing faith, and they're going to be making that decision of, if they can't legally do it, are they going to just do it anyway? I think laws like this put many people in a position where they unfortunately have to choose between protecting themselves and the ones they care about, or they get to risk getting caught with it and going to jail. So do you want to get caught with it and go to jail, or do you want to get caught without it and be dead? I think many people are making these choices. Do I think many people are going to stop complying with laws in general in the coming years, or have already? Yes, I know people for a long time have just straight up not complied with those laws. I think this is going to be kind of, as these court cases, if they start to go unfavorably, I think more and more people are going to start to just disregard the laws completely. If you're one of those people, go ahead and drop a like on this video. I'm just kidding. Don't expose yourself, but do drop a like on the video if you like this video, or if you like the information that I bring to you. Obviously, no one's happy that this isn't going well. What do I expect from this? I expect maybe in a few years we might see that the Supreme Court views this and looks it over. Maybe they decide, oh, we're not going to hear it. There also could be the other potential outcome that we've seen work with the New York State Rifle and Pistol Association, where while it was going through the process and we were potentially going to have a big win for the Second Amendment, New York State just decided, we're just going to get rid of that law. That law doesn't exist anymore, so we don't have to do this. You guys don't, Supreme Court, you don't got to make a decision. You don't got to give everybody their right to legally carry a firearm back. It's all good. Look, because, we got rid of that law. It doesn't exist. It's all good. So could that happen with Hawaii if, in the unlikely event that the Supreme Court actually hears this? That's a potential outcome that could happen. Now, I want to reread that sentence. The en banc court held that the Second Amendment does not guarantee an unfettered general right to openly carry arms in public for individual self-defense. Ultimately, it is up to you to make decisions for your life. I'm not a lawyer. I'm never given legal advice. That being said, you personally every day make a decision of, do you get caught with something and go to jail, or do you get caught without something and die? That's your decision to make. You guys know the drill. Have fun, be safe, stay dangerous. Peace.